Next point is operator in Python. Consider the expression 4 plus 5 equal to 9. Here 4 and 5 are called operand, means operation performed on these two numbers 4 and 5, and plus is called as operator. So 4 and 5 are the operand and plus is an operator. There are various type of operator in Python like arithmetic, comparison, assignment, logical, bitwise, membership and identity operator. Let us have a look on all operator one by one. First one is arithmetic operator. Here assume variable x hold 5 value and variable y hold 3. Then in arithmetic operator, first operator is plus, also called as addition operator. Plus operator adds value on either side of the operator. For example, x equal to 5, y equal to 3. Print x plus y. 5 plus 3 is 8. Next is subtraction operator. It subtracts right hand operand from left hand operand. Means 5 and 3 are the two numbers. Then x minus y. It gives the result as 5 minus 3, 2. Next is multiplication operator. It multiplies value on either side of the operator. Means x multiplied by y, 5 multiplied by 3 is 50. Next is division operator. It divides left hand operand by the right hand operand. Means if x is 12, y is 3, then 12 by 3 is 4. Modulus operator. It divides left hand operand by right hand operand and returns remainder. Means if you take the example x equal to 5, y equal to 3, then 5 modulo 2. 5 modulo 2 means quotient is 2 and remainder is 1. So modulus operator returns the remainder. Next is exponent star star operator. It performs exponential, means power calculation on operator. Means if you take x equal to 2, y equal to 5 and you write x exponent y, then it prints the answer like 2 multiplied by 2 5 times. So it gives answer as a 32. Next is floor division. The division of the operand where the result is the quotient in which the digit after the decimal points are removed. But if one of the operand is negative, the result is floor, that is rounded away from 0. For example, x is 15, y is 2, x floor division y, then it gives the answer 2 7s are 40. So answer is 7. Next is Python comparison operator. These operator compare the value on either side of them and decide the relationship among them. They are also called relation operator. Here assume x holds 5 and y holds 3 in the example. First comparison operator is equal to equal to. If the value of two operands are equal, then condition become true. Means if x equal to 5, y equal to 3 and you write x equal to y, then value of x and y are not equal, so it returns false. Not equal to operator. If the value of two operands are not equal, then condition become true. For example, x is 5, y is 3, x not equal to y, then it printed true because x and y value are not same. Greater than If the value of left operand is greater than the value of right operand, then its conditions become true. Here x5, y3 and x is greater than y. So it printed true because left hand operand is greater than right hand operand. Less than, if the value of left operand is less than the value of right operand, then condition become true. Means here x is 5, y is 3. So 5 is not less than 3. So answer is false. Greater than equal to, if the value of left operand is greater than or equal to the value of right operand, then condition become true. Means here x is 5, y is 3 and x is greater than equal to y. Here 5 is greater than 3. So it printed true. Less than equal to, if the value of left operand is less than or equal to the value of right operand, then condition become true. Here x is 5, y is 3. If you printed x less than equal to y, then x is 5, 5 is not less than 3. So answer is false. Next one is assignment operator. Assume variable a holds 3 and b and c holds 2 here in this example. First assignment operator is equal to assignment operator. It assigns the value from right hand side operand to the left hand operand. Means if a is 3, b is 2, c equal to a plus b and you printed c, then it assigns value of a plus b to the c. Value of a plus b is 5. Add AND operator. Plus equal to operator. It adds right hand operand to the left operand and assign the result to the left operand. Means if you take a equal to 3, c equal to 2 and you write c plus equal to a and you printed c, then it assigns c plus equal to a, means it is equivalent to c equal to c plus a. So answer is c plus a means 5. Minus equal to, subtract AND operator. It subtract right operand from the left operand and assign the result to the left operand. A is 3, c is 2, c minus equal to a, then print c. It does c equal to c minus a. C minus a means 2 minus 3 is minus 1 is printed. Next is multiply equal to, multiply AND. It multiplies right operand with the left operand and assign the result to the left operand. A equal to 3, c equal to 2 and you write c multiply equal to a, then 3 multiplied by 2 is done and result is stored in c. So this value is assigned to c variable. So 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. Answer is 6. Divide equal to, divide AND. It divide left operand with the right operand and assign the result to the left operand. Means a is 3, c is 2, then c divide equal to a is written and you printed c, then it does c divided by a and assign the value to c operand. So 2 divided by 3 is 0.6. So answer is 0.66. Modulo equal to, modulo AND. It takes the modulus using 2 operand and assign the result to the left operand. Means c modulo equal to a, then it performs c modulo a, means 2 modulo 3 is, in this modulus answer is in fractional point. So this type of answer is not calculated. 2 is written as a reminder. Exponent and star star equal to, it performs exponential calculation on operand and assign value to the left operand. Means C star star A, it equivalent to C equal to C star star A. Means C means 2 multiplied 3 times. So answer is 8. Next is floor division. It performs floor division on operator and assign value to the left operand. This floor division is similar as a division operator. So here A equal to 3, C equal to 2, then C floor division A, then it performs 2 divided by 3, answer is 0. Next is Python bitwise operator. Bitwise operator work on the bits and perform bit by bit operation. Here in example, assume A equal to 60 and B is 30. So binary of 60 is 0011 1100 and binary of 13 is 4 times 0 1101 respectively. Bitwise operator is AND. This operator copies a bit to the result if it exists and both operand. So here we take A is equal to 60, B equal to 13 and performs A and B. So here binary of A is 0011 1100 and binary of 13 is 0000 1101. Then A and B means bitwise AND operation is performed. So 0 and 1 is 0, 0 and 0 is 0, 1 and 1 is 1, 1 and 1 is 1, 1 and 0 is 0, 1 and 0 is 0, 0 and 0 is 0 and 0 and 0 is 0. So answer is 0000 1100 means decimal 12. So this is binary of 12. Next is binary OR. It copies a bit if it exists in either operand. If A is 16, B is 13, A or B, then the operation is bitwise OR. 0 or 1 is 1, 0 or 0 is 0, 1 or 1 is 1, 1 or 1 is 1, 1 or 0 is 1, 1 or 0 is 1, 0 or 0 is 0, 0 or 0 is 0. So answer is 61. So binary of 61 is this one. Next is binary XOR. It copies the bit if it set in one operand but not in both. Here A is 60, B is 13. Then A XOR B. In this operation 0 XOR 1 is 1, 0 XOR 0 is 0. We have to know 0 XOR 0 is 0, 1 XOR 1 is 0, 0 XOR 1 is 1. Similar, we have to do the operation 0 XOR 1, 1, 1 XOR 1, 0, 1 XOR 0, 1. Likewise, we have to calculate the result. So result is 49. So binary of this is 49. Next one is complement. It is unary and has effect of flipping bits, means change the bits. For example, A is 60. So binary of A is 0011 1100 and complement of A is opposite of this. So 0's complement is 1 and 1's complement is 0 is written here. So answer is minus 61 because answer is in 2's complement form due to the signed binary numbers. So we have calculated the 2's complement of the result and then answer is displayed. Binary left shift. The left shift operand value is moved left by the number of bits specified by the right operand. Means number is shifted left. If A is 60 and A left shift 2, then it shifted 60 left by 2 places. Means if binary of A equal to 0011 1100, then A left shift 2 means it shifted this number binary of 60 to the left by 2 places. Means now 11 is shifted here and this 00 shifted back. So answer is 11110000. So answer is 240, binary of this number. Binary right shift. Binary right shift is the opposite of binary left, in which number is shifted at the right side. Means binary of 60 is 0011 1100. So it shifted to the right. So right is now this side. So it shifted 1111 and this 0 this side. So answer is 00001111. Binary of 15 is 00001111. Next is logical operator. First logical operator is AND. If both the operands are true, then condition become true. Means if you take the example x equal to 5 and you printed x is greater than 3 and x less than 10. Here 5u is greater than 3, but here 5u is greater than 3 and less than 10. So answer is true. Or if any of two operands are non-zero, then condition become true. If you take the example x equal to 5, print x is greater than 3 or x is less than 4, then 5u is greater than 3 and 5u is greater than 3 and not less than 4, but one condition is true. So answer is true. Not operator used to reserve the logical state of its operand. Means if you take x equal to 5 and you printed not x is greater than 3 and x is less than 10, then it returns false because it is used to return the result. Next is Python membership operator. Python membership operator tests for membership in a sequence such as string, list or tuple. There are two membership operator explained below, in and not in. In evaluate to true if it finds a variable in the specified sequence and false otherwise. For example, we have taken the list apple, banana and you printed banana in x, it returns true because banana is in the list, not in. It evaluates to true if does not find a variable in the specified sequence and false otherwise. Means if you take the example x equal to apple comma banana and you printed pineapple not in x, so it printed true because pineapple is not present in the list. Next operator is identity operator. Identity operator compares the memory location of two objects. There are two identity operators, is and is not. Is evaluate to true if the variables on other side of the operator point to the same object and false otherwise. Means if you take x equal to apple banana, y equal to apple banana, z equal to x and you printed x in z, so it printed true because z is same as the x. You assign x value to z, so z is the same object as x. That's why true is printed. Is not. It evaluates to false if the variables on either side of the operator points to the same object and true otherwise. If you take the example x equal to apple banana, y equal to apple banana list and you assign z equal to x and you write print x is not z, it printed false because z is the same object of x. If both object is different, then true is printed. Python operator precedence means which operator gives the first preference is written here from top to bottom. Means in example in which there are many operators in a single line, then the statement is executed based on the precedence. First is exponential operator, then second is complement, unary and minus. Third one is that is multiply, divide, modulus and floor division. Fourth one is addition, subtraction. Fifth one is left and right shift. Sixth one is and. Seventh is bitwise XOR or regular OR. Next one is comparison operator, then equality operator, and then assignment operator, then identity operator, then membership, and last one is logical operator. So first preference is for exponential operator. तर बघा आता जो पॉइंट आहे आपला तो आहे ऑपरेटर. तर आपण प्रोग्राम मध्ये खूप सारे ऑपरेटर यूज करतो, पण पायथॉन मध्ये कोणकोणते ऑपरेटर सपोर्ट होतात ते आपण इथं बघितले. तर बाकीच्या लँग्वेज मध्ये पण हे ऑपरेटर होतात. कोणते नवीन आहेत ते आपण बघून घ्या. ऍडिशन, सबट्रॅक्शन, मल्टिप्लिकेशन, डिव्हिजन, मॉड्युलस हे आहेत सगळ्या लँग्वेज मध्ये. एक्सपोनंट हा एक नवीन ऑपरेटर याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला दिसेल. तर याचं जे वर्किंग आहे ऍक्च्युली, तर एक्स स्टार स्टार वाय असं केलं तुम्ही तर 2 जो आहे तो 5 टाइम्स मल्टिप्लाय होतं आणि मग ते आन्सर जे आहे 32 आन्सर त्या ठिकाणी येते. तर फ्लोअर डिव्हिजन जे आहे ते डिव्हिजन प्रमाणेच आहे, फक्त इथं जी डिव्हिजन आहे ती कॅल्क्युलेट केली जाते आणि त्याचं जे आन्सर आहे क्वोशंट तो इथं राईट डाऊन केलेला जातो आन्सर मध्ये. म्हणजे इथं 15/2 असेल तर 7 कन्सिडर केला जाईल आणि डेसिमल पॉईंट तो रिमूव्ह केला जाईल. कंपॅरिझन मध्ये ऑपरेटर्स आपले सगळे आपण दुसऱ्या लँग्वेज मध्ये पण बघितलेले आहेत. त्याच्यानंतर असाइनमेंट ऑपरेटर पण आपले झालेले आहेत मोस्ट ऑफ द. ठीक आहे. फ्लोअर डिव्हिजन इथं नवीन आहे. फ्लोअर डिव्हिजन आणि डिव्हिजन हे जवळजवळ तुम्हाला सेमच दिसेल. बिटवाईज ऑपरेटर पण आपण बघितले. बिटवाईज ऑपरेशन त्या ठिकाणी होतं, तर हे लक्षात ठेवा. त्यानंतर अँड ऑर नॉट चेक केलं जातं, हे पण झालेले आहेत बघा. इन, नॉट इन हे नवीन आहे त्याच्यामध्ये. मेंबरशिप ऑपरेटर, तर हे बनाना जे आहे तर एक्स मधला आहे का, इन आहे का हे चेक केलं जातं आणि रिझल्ट ट्रू किंवा फॉल्स असा प्रिंट केला जातो. नॉट इन त्याच्यातलं नाही का. ठीक आहे. तर पाइनएपल ह्या लिस्ट मध्ये नाही, त्याच्यामुळे ट्रू प्रिंट झालाय बघा. इज आणि इज नॉट आयडेंटिटी ऑपरेटर आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये एक्स इज झेड, एक्स हा झेड आहे का असेल तर ट्रू. ठीक आहे. एक्स इज नॉट झेड, तर एक्स आणि झेड सेमच घेतले होते आपण. ठीक आहे. असाइन केलं एक्स इक्वल टू झेड, त्याच्यामुळे फॉल्स प्रिंट झालंय बघा. आणि महत्वाचं जे आहे ते म्हणजे प्रिसिडन्स, कोणाला जास्त प्रेफरन्स दिला जाईल, हायेस्ट कोणाला प्रेफरन्स आहे. तर एक्सपोनेन्शियलला तुम्हाला सगळ्यात जास्त प्रेफरन्स दिसेल आणि लॉजिकल ऑपरेटरला सगळ्यात कमी प्रेसिडन्स दिसेल, एवढं लक्षात ठेवा. ठीक आहे. आणि तुम्हाला प्रेसिडन्स विचारला असेल एक्झाम्पल देऊ, तर हे तुम्हाला लक्षात ठेवावं लागेल. थँक्यू.